I would have thought snowmelt is a very slow process. I would not have expected until I read all of your papers that snowmelt causes flooding in Eastern Europe. Does it all melt at once?
It's a very valid question you're asking. Snowmelt is indeed a slow process, and the amount of energy that can produce snowmelt is very limited. So you can never produce more than 10 millimeters or 10 liters, 15 liters of water per square meter, which is very little as compared to a monsoon rainfall, for example. You can easily have 100 millimeters of water per day or even 200 millimeters of water, tenfold amount of water. Why is that still a problem? This is an effect of the social adaptation of people to the floods in the past. So it's not really a physical phenomenon, it's a social phenomenon. People build close to the stream, as close as they can, without incurring too many losses, historically. Now, in regions where you have snowmelt floods, it is true that for a given catchment area upstream of that location, the floods are small. But if you actually live in the city, you don't see the catchment area. You don't know, is this a small catchment, is it a big catchment? You just adapt locally to the water levels. And it is true that there are only 10% of those in other catchment, like alpine catchment or monsoon tropical catchment. It's true. Still, for the people relative to what they are used to, they still can be huge.